What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, have you ever imagined about the picture about the, let's say, a bunny or a rabbit, and it was made of the origami? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to create this picture, and as you can see, this is kind of the origami of the rabbit, and this is very cute. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Google AI Studio, and here I will use the Nano Banana to create this picture. However, if you would like to try another AI such as the Gemini AI, Quen AI, Dreamina, and a lot of tools out there, it is very okay. You can do the exploration with this, and here I will also share you the prompt to create this picture too. And also, if you would like to try this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email to get this access, such as the Nano Banana. And after that, you can continue to click try Nano Banana over here, and you don't need to upload the preference picture. I will put the prompt into this section. And basically, the prompt will be like this: a minimal studio scene of geometric, low poly origami rabbit made from the clean white folded paper, and also standing upright in a cute pose, and also smooth crisp edges and sharp polygon angles, and also slightly glossy paper surface catching soft light reflections, and also isolated on a plain solid bright green background. You can also change the color, let's say, to become orange. I will change it. And also the center position composition, and modern minimal aesthetic, ultra sharp detail, and 8K product photography style. This is the prompt we will use, and you can also start to give this prompt a screenshot. And after that, you can continue to click run, and kindly wait for the output, guys. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture. However, it will also have the maybe a little bit different output, however still in the one theme, which is origami rabbit product shoot. And this is the another output when I change the background to become orange, guys. So you can start to download it, and you can share it into your favorite social media. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.